it's Evie, Cutie Pie, and today we're doing another Capsule CHIX, and it's blue, and I'm also here with my mum.
Hi.
So we're gonna open it. It's blue this time, and they're the ones you can collect, but there's actually more. So we opened it now, and now we're gonna open this. And we also get a little note.
So we get like a little booklet that tells you who it is. So cool. And so this is the Capsule CHIX. So we've got to twist it and then we'll get some capsules.
Okay.
There's the first one.
It's a pink capsule. What do we get now? Oh, we get the body.
So we've got a body.
It's creepy.
There you go.
Let's open it again. Another blind bag inside. Oh, we got the shorts.
Got the leg of the body.
I think we can stack it up.
Yeah.
Blind bag.
It's another blind bag. Capsule CHIX.
Let's see what it is. I think it might be the head. It is the head and the snare. I think it might be my favourite.
So we
So
got
there's
a
about
head.
2 more in there. And I think I kind of know. Okay, so we got the 2 out, so we're going to open this one first.
So we'll open this one. So I'll cut up this blind bag. Evie will open up the next one.
I think this is that one last.
So let's see who's in this surprise blind bag.
Ooh, 2 shoes.
How cool they are, guys. So pretty. And also a little tiny ring.
So here's our lucky last blind bag. Feels like a hair. Long hair. Oh my god, this looks so cute, guys.
So cool.
So we're gonna quickly build her now. So guys, this is the Capsule CHIX we got. She's so pretty with her pom-pom and her beanie. I love it. So guys, that's all for today, and we hope you enjoy watching our Capsule CHIX. So make sure you click that like button and please subscribe for more videos. Bye!